Hey everyone, Michael here. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Matic, and STMX. Both are having a good day, and Bitcoin's just kind of still chugging along, waiting until it can break above this $51,000 level here. It's still grinding on this trend line right here, so everything looks good overall. One thing to note, this is a 3-hour chart, and it's nicely hopping off of this 20 moving average here. If we go over to the daily chart, looks like it still has more room to run over the next few days, so I'm not too concerned about Bitcoin. I'm still holding my positions. I'm not even thinking about selling any altcoins at the moment, guys. So what else are we looking at? Right now we're going to go over to Matic because, basically Bitcoin's still doing its own thing. There's not really much of an update to have there. Matic, on the other hand, let's go to the 15-minute chart. If you guys got this breakout early this morning, a decent pop off. We've been watching this, I guess, since the first, but, it took a while. Popped off, then it actually broke out of the larger pennant here. And now Matic is looking at about, let's see what this gain was. About 10%, probably all the way up to like 14% if you were to get the timing right. So this is looking like a great play at the moment. Matic could be heading for $2 in the next few weeks, so I'm really excited about that. Now, last but not least, we got STMX. I told you guys about this actually last night during the live stream, and I was like, hey, this is breaking out, to take a look at it. Whether you did or not, I hope you guys made some money on this one. I've been pretty happy with this performing so well so far. This breakout occurred not so much on a pennant, but more on just a break of resistance here. So you can see once it broke this yellow line, which was about 0.036, you saw profits of about, if you would actually buy in the breakout, about 35% at the max, guys. So take a look at this one. It looks like it has a potential to break out again here, especially if Bitcoin makes a move in the next few hours. Because if Bitcoin were to, let's go to the 4-hour chart here. Bitcoin will continue this move up here, grinding on the moving averages. 51,000 is just right here. So there's a strong chance that it can try to break out above that. If that happens, expect a lot of these altcoins that are already booming to go into that parabolic mode. Okay, guys? Everybody have a good rest of your day.